Welcome back to your channel MG Connects. Our beers gripping the market. Today 22nd June 23, Sensex closed minus 284 points, Nifty closed minus 86 points, snapping 2 days winning run. So Jerome Powell said that US Fed would bring more hikes this year. Interest rates will move higher at a moderate pace. To fight to lower inflation has a long way to go. Market capitalization of the firms listed on BSE dropped to Rs 292.3 lakh crores, making investors poorer by 2.1 lakh crores in a single day. India stand out among emerging markets with the best growth inflation balance. However, rich valuations might invite institutional selling beyond the point. Earlier in the process, speed was very important. It is not very important now, Powell said. So in charts, Nifty is at all-time high, RSI indicators pointing downward. I would suggest keep cash in hand, no more buying right now. Let's see June month closing. Experts are saying in July month market will go down. So let's hope bulls come strong and break 19,000 mark in July. Moving on, Narendra Modi's state visit to US, speculations are rife about $3 billion defense drone deal that would strengthen the Indian Navy and another wings of Indian defense. $3 billion armed drone deal is almost complete. According to Indian stock market experts, they advised Indian stock market investor to look at listed defense drone manufacturing companies. So I'm showing a chart of happiest mind right beside this. We saw nice move in the stock in last couple of days. So guys, study this one. No buy and sell advice. Consult your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Moving on, today's news was about Elon Musk versus Ambani. Elon Musk is eager to bring his Starlink satellite broadband to India, but the world's richest man faces strong resistance from Mukesh Ambani. Musk said he was keen to launch Starlink in India, which can be incredibly helpful in remote villages. So the battle between two of the world's richest men for satellite service, the world's most populous nation, is setting the stage up. So as you can see, even Elon Musk is interested in capturing Indian market. Next 10 to 20 years is a golden era for Indian share market.